This right here is a $1 million flying yacht. Watch this. All right, come with me, guys. Come on in. First of all, just check out this steering wheel, how futuristic this is. Now we're going to start up the engines like this, touch screen, and then on. Fly mode. That is what we're going to do. Here are the wings, one right here and the other on this side, and that's how we're going to fly this yacht. Are you ready? Now we go into trim and we go out. Ready? Watch what happens. You can actually captain the boat here, or this is even cooler. Go into drive and you switch from the wheel to the joystick. Now, come with me. Up here, you have a joystick to control the entire boat from. Sit here and relax. This is how you do it. All right, we ready? Watch. All right, who's ready to fly this baby? Let's deploy the wings now that we're out. Right here, I'm gonna press out. Watch this. Keep your eye on this. Ready? Okie dokes. Let's fly.